Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today my brother is going to be replacing a drill chuck. Thanks for joining me. Today my brother's going to be changing out a drill chuck. I do have a couple of questions for you, Joe.
Okay.
Why would someone need to do this?
Well, for some of the drills, Ridgid, they have a lifetime service agreement, and one of the issues that I ran across is at the time of when I replaced it, the service agreement, you'd have to bring it to a service center, replace, bring the drill in, they would do the repair, and you'd have to go back and get it. It actually became more convenient to just replace the drill chuck because I actually did this at work.
Right, this was your job that you
this
had
was my
previously that you did that. Okay.
And there are other times where it's like they wear out, the drill is out of warranty. You're only talking $20-$30 for a drill chuck versus buying a $100-$200 drill.
Okay. And then the other question is, how much wood would a drill chuck chuck if a drill chuck could chuck wood?
Not really sure. Probably quite a bit.
Here's the video.
Alright, so today I'm going to be replacing a chuck on this Ridgid drill. This will work on most standard drills on what I'm going to show you. I do know that the new Milwaukee Ridgid, Hart, whatever, Ryobi, they are using different chucks than what these ones use. The chuck is a 1/2 inch by 20 for thread. The new chucks, which would be on like this drill here, and you'll know that it's a new chuck because it does not have the Jacobs logo. If it does not have a Jacobs logo, you have the new style chuck, which the new style chuck is a 9/16 by 18 thread pitch. Keep that in mind. And the tools used on that one are a little bit different. I think the screw on that one to get it out is a T40. And these are, the screw threads are actually opposite. They're left-hand threads, so righty-loosey, lefty-tighty when you're pulling the screw out. Anyways, let's get on with this. Alright, so on the inside there's a screw that is actually a Phillips number 3. Comes out just like that. And on the inside is actually a T45. Now there are two ways you can do this. You could either lock the chuck down onto like a large Allen key or drop in a T45. How I'm going to do this, I'm going to do the T45 since I have it. I'll lock my T45 in the vise. Now these are normal threads. So this should just back right up. grab your new chuck. Start it by hand so you don't cross thread these things. Drop it back on. And lock it down. Take your number 3 screw, and there you have it.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.